Hi, I'm Randy McKee, America's Estate Plan Coach, coming to you with today's Estate Planning Minute, February 18th, 2013. There was an article in last weekend's Washington Post that should alarm and concern you. The headline read, "Fiscal Trouble Ahead for Most Retirees." The article went on to point out that the baby boomers are the first generation of Americans whose retirement years will be worse off than their parents. Today, 4 out of 5 people have only a 401k for retirement savings instead of a defined benefit pension plan. And that can spell trouble. In fact, more and more experts are calling for the end of the 401k plan because of high expenses, the inevitable market risk, and the primary problem that 401k owners simply are not qualified to act as their own pension fund managers. Of course, the 401k promoters don't agree, but they rake in billions of profits from managing the investments inside these plans. And while the stock markets have come back from the horrific lows where Americans lost more than 40% of their paper wealth during the Great Recession, most people live in real fear that it will happen again. They just don't know when. Senator Tom Harkin, chairman of the Committee on Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions, said at a hearing late last month, "We need to do more to help American families cope with this looming retirement crisis. But I maintain that you need to help yourself. The tools are available, proven systems are there ready to serve you like they're already serving millions of very happy Americans. I have a free report available that'll help you sort all of this out. Imagine knowing that you can retire free of risk and knowing that you'll have an income that can never decrease or that will never lose value, no matter how bad things get in the stock market in the future. Once you see this report, you'll never look at retirement the same again. I guarantee that. Get the report today by going to estateplancoach.com and clicking on the free retirement report banner. I'll get it to you right away. And thanks for watching the Estate Plan Minute.